Today we will read a poem, Come Out With Me, which is written by A. Milne. First of all, I will read first stanza for you, then explain first stanza, then second and third and fourth. Okay? There is sun on the river and sun on the hill. You can hear the sea if you stand quite still. There is 8 new puppies. Puppies is young one of the dog. At Roundabout Farm is the name of the place. And I saw an old sailor. Sailor is a person who works on a ship with only one arm. In first stanza, poet describes the beauty of the nature by dictating sun, hill and river. There is same sun everywhere. You can hear the music of sea if you stand quite still. There is 8 new puppies at Roundabout Farm, and I saw an old sailor with only one arm. Okay, now I will read second stanza. But everyone says, run along, run along, run along. All of them say, run along, I am busy as can be. Everyone says, run along. There is little darling. If I am a little darling, why don't they run with me? So in second stanza, the poet has revealed the true nature of human being, that everyone is busy in his own work and ignoring the playful child around them. They throughout busy in their own work and they miss the sweet little moments of the life. As a result, they became sad and hopeless. Now I will read third stanza. There is wind on the river and wind on the hill. There is a dark, dead water wheel under the mill. I saw a fly which had just been drowned, and I know where a rabbit goes into the ground. In third stanza, poet wants to tell us the reality of the life, that everything in the world is for the short time period. Nothing is permanent. That there is same wind everywhere. It is on the river and hill also. There is a dark dead water wheel under the mill. Dead means not in use anymore. Water wheels that are used in the past. But now water wheels are not in use. I saw a fly which had just been drowned, means submerged or die in the water. And I also know where a rabbit goes into the ground. So poet enjoyed every moment for a short while. Now in fourth stanza. But everyone says, run along, run along, run along. All of them says, yes dear, and never notice me. Everyone says, run along, there is a little darling. If I am a little darling, why won't they come and see? In fourth stanza, poet wants to show the child psychology, that how he feels bad when everyone is busy in their own work and no one tries to understand his feeling, his loneliness. All of them says yes dear and never notice me. Everyone says run along, run along. There is a little darling. If I am a little darling, why won't they come and see? So this is a poem that is Come Out With Me. In this poem, the poet wants to tell us that if we want to enjoy the beautiful nature, we have to spend some time in the lap of the nature. Thank you.